Hello guys, today we are going to do this question, odd even linked list. Okay, let me read the problem description. Given a singly linked list, group all the odd nodes together followed by the even nodes. Please note here we are talking about node number and not the value in the nodes. And here is the example. I have copied here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is now. And then see the output. So the 1 is the odd number, odd, then followed by even, followed by odd, followed by even, followed by odd, and then the final result is like the description says, group all the odd nodes together. All the odd nodes are 1 and 3 and then 5, followed by the even nodes. So followed by the even node. The first even node is 2, then the second even node is 4. Then we reach the end. The solution is to simply traverse the linked list, group together the odd numbers, and then group together the even numbers, and then finally get from this group get the last node of the even of the odd nodes, and then let the pointer pointed to the first even nodes. Let's see the example. Here, first we get 1 and then we get 3, then 4. So the odd number live at the 4. And then during the traverse, we have another pointer which will keep track of the even nodes. So first it will get 2 and then get 4. Oh, sorry. Here, it's 2 followed. 2 is followed by 4, and this is 1. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Correct. And we have to pay attention. We have also have to add another link to link the last odd number 5, and then let it point to the first even node 2. So we have to manually add the link from 5 to 2. Okay, let's read it. The code. The edge case is our input node is now. Then we simply return now. Nothing to do here. And then we initialize our 2 pointers, the odd and even. So the odd first point at the head, then the even also points next of the head. So this is 1 and 2 in this case. And we also have to keep track of the first even node because it will be linked together later. So then the first even node is the head.next. And then we start to traverse the linked list using the odd and even. So the condition of the while loop is a little tricky. We can come back later and see why. What is the condition? What is the execute conclusion? So first we see what is the next of the odd. So we want what is next of 1? It is 3. So how do we get 3? Oh, we know this. Okay, 3 is the next element of the even number. So here we connect 1 to the 3, and this is done by this line. So we have done this, we have established this thing from 1 to 3, and then we are done with the 1. So we simply advance the pointer. The odd is now going to the next. Okay, and then let's think about what is the next, what is the second even note. Here too, we want to establish the point, we want to establish this connection. We want to connect 2 with the 4. So what is the 4? Oh, we know this. The next even number should be pointing to 2 pointers, should be the next of the next. And then, so then we established this 2 and 4. Since we are done with the even number, we can advance the even number. So the next time, the even used to be here, and then for the next, the even would start at 4. And that is the same thing for the odd. So first we establish this point 1 and 3, and then the next we want to see what is the next of the 3, and we do that by saying here. So the first, at the initialization, the odd one O is here, odd pointer is here, the even number is here, and here after this line, the odd number O is here, and then after this line, after we advance the even pointer, then even is here, and then we start to establish this the second odd number with the third odd number, and then we finally come back to the exit condition. So when does this while loop end? From here we can say the even number is always the even pointer is always after the odd pointer. So this means the even pointer is a fast pointer. It is behind the odd number. So here the condition is the even is when the even is not now. And also we can see from here, since we are advancing, we advance the even dot next, and then this object cannot be now 2, and that is where this condition comes from. So you just have to think the even pointer is faster than the odd pointer. So we have to make sure the fast pointer is not pointing to a null. Otherwise, we'll get a null pointer exception. The last step is to point this 5 to the 4, and we already stored it beforehand, and then return head. So notice we only advance the even and even and the odd pointer. The head pointer is not advanced, it's still pointing at the 1, so we can simply return 1. The head. So that's all for this question.